It is Business Mastery Day. Are you ready? To be in the space at Tony Robbins Studio, making magic happen, experiencing all of the things with the plats that are there, I couldn't be more grateful, super fired up. What am I personally confronting in my business? For me, it's the patterns of pleasing that show up, the boundaries, the issues, the lack of confronting sometimes in the micro distinctions. This is an area I've been working on for the last 4 years as I've been attending Business Mastery. When I see Tony, it just resonates so powerfully, all the things that he's had to go through to build everything that he's built in the world, creating all of that massive and extraordinary impact. So when I see you in that space, I experience Tony, what I am present to is, am I prepared to tell people the truth? Or am I going to be in my own ego and significance and protect myself and not say the things and say the truth? So that's what's up for me in Business Mastery. What's up for you? Looking forward to seeing you there or seeing you through the virtual when I had the privilege of talking about the Platinum Partnership opportunity on Thursday. Couldn't be more grateful. I'm Sean Callaghan. I do believe we're all blind and just learn to see. See you at BM.